Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa. We have a 2015 Sea Ray SLX 350 for sale. This 35-foot luxury runabout is yacht certified and it's yacht inspired. If you like to entertain, do some water sports, or spend weekends on the water, this is the boat for you. We've got a galley kitchenette with a fridge, tip-out trash bin, sink, and cooler. We have some built-in floor storage. We have a little berth you can put cushions in there and have a sleeping quarters. We have a walk-in head compartment with a pump-out toilet, really convenient for having little kids or long hours out on the lake. We have a really easy to access manual windlass with an electric remote, as well as this easy hatch. You can open it up, take out the handle, and then store it away when you're done. We have beautiful teak flooring throughout this entire boat, as well as a giant teak entertainment table. This is luxury fit and finish. We have double wide helm seats, both for the co-captains and the captains. You can fit 4 people right here in the midship. This is another really cool amenity on this boat. If you just pull this latch at the co-captain seat, grab the handle and give it a spin, you actually can turn from front facing to rear facing and even face sideways so that you're looking at the captain and co-captain. This is an awesome, unique boat. We have 2 transom and bow washdown sprayers. We have a flip-up aft seating situation. This boat's powered by not 1 but 2 Mercury 350 Mag IO motors with the duo propellers. You have an easy to access hatch to get to your table storage as well as your engines. That's super convenient, a flip of a switch, and you can lift that up and down without worrying about moving heavy cushions around. There's through hull exhaust, keeping emissions low for your water sports athletes. Of course, with dual engines, you have dual throttle, dual ignition, a joystick, SmartCraft steering, sky hook system, and you have Lenco trim tabs. So with those larger guest sizes on board, you don't have to worry about telling your people to move from one side of the boat to the other to get on plane. You can just adjust your tabs right at the helm and get back on plane no matter where people are sitting. We have a beautiful helm layout with the Ray Marine touchscreen display that has fish finder, navigation, charting, and data right there digitally at your fingertips with touchscreen controls. This has the Mercury SmartCraft gauges. This boat is equipped with the Vessel View 4. This is Mercury's engine diagnostic and reading system. So you can see fuel voltage, tanks levels, trim tab information, trip log. You have autopilot and cruise control. You have a trolling motor, your settings, and so much more right there at your fingertips right at the helm. The SLX has the quiet ride system. So even though this is powered by 2 powerful engines, this isn't going to sound like a race car hauling across the lake. It is insulated and quiet. There's a 2-tier drop-down swim step that is power operated and a huge teak platform with the swim ladder, as well as a transom tow eye to keep you guys having fun behind the boat, enjoying water sports all summer long. This has the hard top arch, and check out this incredible sunroof area with a built-in sunshade. You just pull this, slides super easy. You can lock that into place and you have a canvas cover for your boat. This is an amazing feature to have on board. You also have the zip-on enclosed cockpit vinyl as well. This arch is also equipped with the sunshade extension, so that gives you more shade in the aft of the boat, keeping everybody safe from those UV rays. And you are not going to want to miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a clean, beautiful boat here for sale at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. Come see it today and take it home and enjoy your summer 2026 on the water.